Well, here's a wee video what I wasn't expecting to do. A friend's come over and he's going to actually teach me some of this welding techniques after the terrible job we done of the last one of the seats, but we can only learn and try. I thought I'd get the camera out to prove we're trying. Already, welder's on. What temperature are you going for?
For free.
Free?
There's no gas in this, so the weld's going to look pants to up and hit it a few times on hammer.
I'm going to close my eyes because Alan's got the mask. For once you actually get to see some bells do some work about here, so it's always me on this video. Oh, I think the professionals are in town now. Ah, you're holding much closer, aren't you?
Oh, aye.
Even with the no gas, this is unbelievable. There's not even a hole blowing through or nothing.
Going to flip it and do the bracket. So that's a hole so, at the same time.
So explain what you're doing.
All I'm doing is creating a C as I'm welding, or a circle, and I keep going overlapping it to create a stronger weld, and I'm melting the metal together, not just covering it. I'm filling the gap.
How many card lengths away would you say you would need to be as in thinness, credit card thinness?
What away? About 2, 3?
2 credit cards away?
2 or 3.
2, 3 credit
Depends
cards.
how you're comfortable with it. Can you see this mask is shit?
Oh, it's so sellotape together.
Look at that, that's only a wee second.
It just shows practice makes perfect. So do you want to hold the camera and see what I can do?
I'll join this right. See if you can do the curve, because a curve's harder to do than it is a flat bit. Right?
Right. My turn. Here we go, let's see what happens here. Oh, right, hold this because I'm going to have to tighten this mask.
I don't know if we've moved that much. See, I'm better with my mask. Right, but my mask.
That's videoing, you need to point. So what do you want me to do here?
See the curve?
Yep.
In here? Right, we'll do it. Aye, there.
Perfect.
And just do wee circles.
Wee circles, wee swirls.
Whatever you can do, but take your time.
I'm getting a bit closer now.
I went back over it because
I blew through. See that? You can tell, no professional here.
Throw I right through. I can fix that.
We're only practicing.
There you go. That'll do.
Really bad. Do you think I need to move faster then?
A wee bit, but it'll come in time.
Move a bit faster. How many years do you think you've been welding for now, Alan?
I don't know.
Too many?
Aye. I've got a brother who's a welder too, so it doesn't fucking help much. There's a battle with the fucking welders roasted.
Stop.
I've started. Because there's you there.
There's my hole.
There's you there too.
There's me there too.
But when you look at
Alan's welds. Watch your fingers out, be roasting.
I'm used to wearing welding gloves, that's the problem.
Look at that. And this is no gas. Oh yeah. I'll need to get some practice.
I'll get a gas welder. It'll make it better.
Check that, just helps instantly, that gas welder.
Aye, use a second.
There's still a wee bit on the exhaust, we've welded a lot of it, but there's still a wee bit left right there. I'm going to see if we can, well, I'm going to try and not blow through it. Alan, obviously, is definitely not blowing through, we've just seen that. Let's see what I can do. Don't stay in the same spot so long.
No.
Move.
Yes.
Constant. Well,
Yes.
more the merrier.
Welding.
That's still terrible. I'm not moving enough. I'm sitting in the same spot, but it is better than what the attempt I done in the car. I'm just going to have to try till you get something decent out of it. Practice makes perfect, but you can only try. You'll get better in the end up.
Ryan.